Check it out.
Let's pause the video for 1 second and explain what I'm driving. It's an Iveco Daily 4x4 expedition truck, fully equipped for off-grid living. We're about to head into Morocco and the Sahara Desert.
Check it out.
Before we knew it, we were heading straight into Morocco and experiencing the desert firsthand. The Sahara Desert was something very, very special, which just simply takes your breath away. For us, the seclusion is the best part of the travelling. And trust me when I say, these are some of the better roads in Morocco.
Yeah.
At this point, we'd been off the road for about 1.5 days. I got slightly lost, and out of nowhere, a lad popped up his head on a motorbike and offered his assistance and showed us the right route out. The question that keeps sticking in my mind is, where did he sleep the night before? We were 1.5 days from anywhere. I know. Yet here we were with this young lad on a motorcycle showing us in a big truck the way through. It's incredible, you know, the vastness takes your breath away, and the silence is so extreme, it's deafening. What you're seeing here is a dried riverbed. We drove over it for about 1 hour. It was absolutely fantastic to see, and what an experience. It's something that we will remember for a long time. After a great night's sleep, this is what we woke up to, nice and early in the morning, just before we left. Looks like a lunar landscape. These are a bunch of Overlanders we got caught up in their convoy. It was a bit of fun for about 15 minutes, honking horns and just celebrating the fact that we're all travelling in the same direction. On the odd occasion, if we decide not to free camp, we find perfect oases like this, campsites that cost a handful of euros. They're almost for free. When we go off-road, we go off-road for long periods. This was part of a 3-day drive. We literally had seen not one human being for 2 days. We pulled over just to absorb the absolute silence. And before we knew it, 8 weeks had passed and that was the end of our trip. So we jumped on a ferry and made our way back to mainland Europe.